up, guys? So I have been getting a lot of requests from people wanting me to show you guys how I get my puff, like my go-to natural style, from Snapchat to Instagram, my Facebook followers. People want to know. So this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Now I am starting off with clean hair. I actually just took out my braids from underneath the wig. You guys saw the video of the wig I wore. I just took those braids out and I went ahead and washed my hair, and now I'm going to apply some oil, and I like to use extra virgin olive oil, just olive oil, and I guess you can call this the LOC method. So my liquid is my water and my oil is the olive oil. And then of course we're gonna apply the cream. Some people like to do the LOC, some people like to do the LCO. It's totally up to you. I've tried both methods and I actually like this one. It works really good for my hair. Y'all, I don't know if them wigs are snatching out my edges a little bit, but when I look back at my pictures, I've always been bald headed on that side, so whatever. But I'm just noticing that you really see a lot of stuff in the camera. So I'm just like, ugh. Basically, I'm just doing a twist out that I pull up into a puff. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate for you guys today. So I am just using this. Oh my God, this stuff is so good. This is As I Am Double Butter. This stuff is amazing for my 4C hair. I mean, my hair stayed moisturized so long with this stuff. Like, it is absolutely amazing. I'll leave a link below for you guys. After trial and error, I have finally found the product that really works good for my hair, which is this moisturizer. It just leaves my hair so moisturized, and I just love the feel of it. So I'm going to be working that through my hair. And for this twist out, you guys, I'm not going to be using a lot of products. This next product is a twist defining cream, also by As I Am, and this stuff is like super duper thick. So I only use a little bit and I focus that on the end. Now when I first started doing this, I wasn't as heavy-handed as I am now, because I just was afraid that when you see all that white residue, I just knew my hair was gonna flake up. But believe it or not, none of this is going to show in your twist out. I always like to do mine the night before so that I have, you know, a whole night's rest, and it's going to dry and it will not get flaky. Your hair literally is going to suck up all of that product, and you're going to have a beautiful twist out the next day. So because it was like midnight when I did this video, it was close to like 1 o'clock, I want to say, in the morning, and I had to wake up super early for work. My ass should have did this way earlier, but you know, so my hair was not all the way dry. So I just recommend you make sure that your hair is completely dry so that your curls can be defined. Now I am at the part where I like to section off my bang area, because I like my twist to look a little more different in the front, so it lays really good. And I'll show you guys how I do that. But just flat twisting my whole head, y'all, I'm really gonna get the strength to single twist my whole head, but tonight was not that night, so we're just gonna flat twist, and I'm gonna single twist that front portion. Now we are to the final section of this hairstyle. I'm doing the same thing I just showed you guys prior, taking the double buttercream and then the twist defining cream, and then I take a little bit of gel on my fingertips for the ends, and I'm just going to single twist this portion. I'm not going to flat twist. I'm going to single twist because I want the volume. I want a lot of defined curls. I'm taking about 1-inch sections, and I'm using this gold Eco Solid gel. This is the shea butter and black castor oil. Do you guys like this gel? I bought just a small container because I was testing it out, and I like it. I like that and the olive oil, the traditional Eco Solid gel. All the other ones I haven't really tried, but I do want to try that cocktail one. So y'all let me know below if you tried that and do you like it. Girls, it's like we're going in different directions.
I feel like everybody is going in the same direction except for...
Can't y'all see I'm really just beating myself up? It's late. So, finally finished. Now I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm taking my little do-rag, this little cap. I'll try to link it below. I got it from the hair store. I like it because it's it don't fall off at nights. So I use that rather than a scarf. So the next morning, probably like 4 hours later, what, 5 hours later, I'm taking some main choice oil and putting that throughout my parts just to get my hair, back moisturized. I love that oil. It's really good, but it's expensive as hell. Taking some coconut oil on my fingertips so that I can go ahead and unravel my hair.
You're still wet back here.
So my hair is still wet. And like I said, I knew it wasn't going to dry, y'all. I even sat under the dryer knowing my ass ain't have time to do that because I had to be to work in the morning. Like, give yourself some time. Don't be up at 1 o'clock in the morning trying to do a twist out on your hair and you got thick 4C4 thick natural hair, because it ain't going to dry. I'm telling you, my hair did not fully dry, but that's okay. I'm just going to keep brushing it up and wear it in a puff. And I like to use the Eco Styler for my edges. And y'all will not believe what happened. So I bought a big ass box of knee hives in this color, wrong choice. And for the life of me, I was like, I want to take this back. What I'm going to do with 50 of these, right? Because literally the box came with like 50 of them. And in the wrong color. Couldn't find my receipt. Had already opened them. I was just toe up. So I just use them for my puffs. I didn't realize that people use knee hives to tie up their puff. Like, I've been living under a rock, okay? But anyway, I am taking this comb and just creating my little bloop, my little curls on the side. This really helps give you a nice defined curl. And I like it because I can't really do that with my fingers. We are to the end, you guys. I'm just unraveling my twist with a little bit of coconut oil on my fingertips. And that's pretty much it. One day I'm gonna have the courage to really do my whole head, but because my hair was still kind of wet, my puff didn't come out how I really wanted it to, but it's okay. Yeah. So pretty much, this is what I do, you guys. Like at night, I just twist my bang back up, and then when I get in the shower, I let it get a little wet and I let it dry on my way to work while I'm in the car, and then I just unravel it and I get the same look. I don't have to reapply any product or anything to my hair, which I like. So this lasts me for like a week, and then I just wash it and do it again. So anyway, let's get into this edge control, honey. This is by Kiss. This is their like tinted edge control, and this is in the natural black. And oh my god, y'all, this stuff is just amazing. I tie it down and it just lays so flat, and it just lays and blends into the skin so good. Hey, y'all, look at my baby back there. Look at Jada on my way to work. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Sometimes I add like different headbands or bandana scarves just to kind of dress it up a little bit, but it's totally up to you how you want to do it. I do go in sometimes and still pick apart and fluff out my curls in the front, and yeah, it works for me, guys. So yeah, I'm still learning this new natural thing. Y'all see my curls definitely reverted after me straightening my hair, because a lot of y'all was just like, don't ruin your hair. Like, first of all, I knows what I'm doing here, but yeah, thanks for joining me today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and also comment below any other natural styles you guys want me to show you.
like I said, this is kind of my everyday natural style that I wear. It's very easy for me to do, and it stays up for about a week. So let me know below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Control, yeah, control, control.